I started in the service industry a long time ago, and what I found is that if you can serve people well, then there'll be a reciprocating joy that comes back from that. And I like to make people happy. It's just kind of like who I am. So making people happy is just part of doing a good job. Well, I'm Rob Vidian, and my wife and I are owners of Lowcountry Foundation Repair, and we've been at it for about 22 years now. I guess I decided a long time ago if we were going to do something, it was going to make a difference. It wasn't just going to be something that anyone can do, and it would be very specialized, and that when we did something, it would be permanent, it would be tangible, it would be something that people could feel and see a difference.
Lowcountry Foundation Repair has been built around integrity, around making every single customer feel happy that they chose Lowcountry Foundation Repair.
I can't do everything. I have to have really great people that we work together. It's kind of like a family in order to do good things for our customers. And so we kind of consider it like a family, and a family has to learn and grow together, and they have to find new ways to be more innovative and to take good care of each other as well as the customers. So we're always learning and growing.
Every day, their team of almost 50 employees are working to deliver their goal. Choose happy, choose Lowco.
So we have a thing called One Experience in our company. It's one of our core values. Essentially, it means that every customer should have a wow experience, meaning, normally they're just getting an okay experience, but we want them to have a wow experience, like different than anyone else.
Over the last 14 years, they have designed an amazing process: incoming phone calls, appointment scheduling, being on site, and follow-up.
Another one of our core values is one team, and that's we have three things that we want to accomplish. One of those is can do, means we can do just whatever comes our way, we're going to be able to take care of that. Caring, meaning that we care about each other as well as the customer, and we have a positive attitude. Those three pillars help us to be one team and to accomplish the goals that we have in the company. If we take good care of our team members, then they're going to make our customers happy. So it's twofold. It's taking good care of your team members and making them happy, and then taking care of the customer and making them happy. And if you don't take care of your team members, you're not going to have happy customers.
Lowcountry Foundation Repair system will help you create a healthier living space and save on your utility bills.
A lot of our problems that we're fixing daily are underneath houses that nobody ever looks at. We've got problems with moisture underneath the house, we got bugs, we got rats, we got sagging floors and rot that's happening. But the homeowner up above doesn't know until all of a sudden it reveals itself up above. And that can come in the form of musty smells or cracks in the drywall, or maybe they're about to fall through the floor in their house. If we could catch it early, if they could know that there's a problem before then, we could save them a whole lot of pain, a whole lot of money in the end. We hope that when people call us, that they essentially choose our company, and so choose happy, go Lowco.
It was really great spending the day with Rob and seeing his team in action.
Thanks a lot for joining us here today and taking a look at one of our projects, which we're very proud of, every project that we do. Give us a call if you happen to have any issues that you would like for us to take a look at for you, and we'll take good care of you. We'll make you happy.
For more information about Lowcountry Foundation Repair, visit their website or reach out to them at 833-387-1024.